Hey guys, I'm going to do an unboxing video for a Trijicon 4x32 ACOG. It's the RCO-M150, so this is the same one that the Army uses. So let's break it open. First off, I love the fact that it came in this nice hard case. I think that's pretty cool, and I'm definitely going to be keeping that. There it is. Alright, so that's the ACOG. So this is the one that does not need, it uses this fiber optic to illuminate the reticle on the inside. So you don't have to change batteries, so every time you pick up the rifle, no matter how old it is, you'll know that it's going to be turned on. You don't have to worry about batteries. That looked fairly simple. Let's see if there's anything underneath. Oh hey, there is stuff underneath. Alright, we got a sticker. What is this? Warranty. Definitely going to be filling that out. A poster / catalog. Okay. It's very large. I'm just going to move that aside. Operator's manual. We'll be going through that. Oh, a lens cleaner. So yeah, you just push this up. Use the brush to clean the lens if you need to. Lens pen. There we go. Let's see if this is anything. Oh, okay. Not sure how to use that, but looks like it's just more stiff version. But that's threaded on there. Alright. And looks like some mounting hardware. I'm not sure exactly what this is. I will have to dig into the operator's manual and get back to you on what this is. And that looks like it. Yep, that's it. Okay. So let's move that aside. We've got the ACOG itself, a lens pen, a widget, operator's manual, warranty card, sticker, and fold this up real quick. Maybe. If I'm smart enough to figure out how. Oh, I think I got it. And a catalog / poster. So, alright guys, there you have it, is the ACOG 4x32 RCO-M150. Yeah, the TA31RCO-M150. Okay, thanks for watching.